Non-fungible tokens are in the headlines these days for their trendy and modernized marketing strategies. It is an investment that can earn you huge profits with wise and timely decisions, while the other half mostly depends on market fluctuation. These digital assets are like buying real-life tangibles on a virtual platform like any art piece, music, game, or video. NFTs resemble the market of cryptocurrencies that stands to be a profitable business. Well, here are 5 ways to earn passive income from NFTs. Number 1. Renting out NFTs. Renting out your NFTs, especially ones in great demand, is one method to generate passive revenue. One of the best ways to generate residual income from renting out NFTs is quite a trend these days. The person who owns a certain NFT and another person who requires an NFT for a specific period of time form a mutually agreed NFT rental agreement. NFT rental markets employ DeFi-style blockchain technologies to ensure secure transactions and that the NFT is returned to the owner when the rental term ends. Another such blockchain technology supported by NFT has built a blockchain protocol that allows NFT owners to lend their NFTs to total strangers for a predetermined amount of time and price, with the security of receiving their assets back. The NFT protocol allows the NFT to pass between the renter and the lender. The rental price requires collateral, and the maximum rental length is all determined by the lender, while the renter, on the other hand, determines the renting period, pays the rental fee, and receives the NFT. NFT rentals may be used to hire out NFTs for digital art, art installations, and exhibits, among other things. Number 2. NFT royalties. The technology that underpins NFTs enables authors to specify terms that impose royalty costs anytime their NFTs are sold on the secondary market. In other words, even after selling their masterpieces to collectors, the artist can earn a passive income. They can earn an endless part of the NFT sales price using this method. For example, if a digital artwork's royalty is set to 10%, the original author will get 10% of the total selling price each time the artwork is resold to a new owner. Although the fact that needs to be noted is that these fixed percentages are frequently established by authors during the stamping process of the NFTs. Smart contracts, which are self-executing computer programs that enforce commercial agreements, also regulate the whole royalties distribution process. Number 3. Collection of NFTs digital art. In terms of pure profit, individual NFT artwork is perhaps the most money-making non-fungible tokens ever created. The history of blockchain technology and the history of art altered forever on March 11th. Christie's, one of several world's most prominent auction houses, sold an NFT piece of art at $69 million. Christie's auctioned a wholly digital artwork for the first time. Well, yes, you heard it right. This virtual piece of art was sold at a higher price as compared to many of the tangible paintings hung in millionaires' households. Digital art NFTs have revolutionized the creative industry. Other than the investment and collection purpose of NFTs digital arts, these digital tokens can also be redeemed as digital exhibits of art, which can be displayed on your computer servers or phones. Other art admirers can even have these curations installed in their homes where they can be displayed before selling them at auction for a bigger price and higher profit. Number 4. Provide liquidity to earn NFTs. Thanks to the integration of NFTs and DeFi infrastructures, it is now feasible to contribute liquidity and get NFTs in exchange to establish your position in a specific liquidity pool. The ease with which the NFT may be purchased or sold for cash inside that network is known as liquidity. During many liquidity exchanges, they are performed for swaps rather than converting them into cash. Buyers exchange one token for another, or fractions of a token for another NFT on the same blockchain. Several sites have been known to reward users that supply liquidity in exchange for NFTs. A liquidity pool is a compilation of crypto assets secured by a blockchain network and guaranteed by a group of shareholders. To distribute loans, the program can use the locked pool of assets. Number 5. NFT-powered yield farming. Users may now farm for yields utilizing NFT-powered items because NFTs are quickly becoming a key component of AMMs, or automated market makers. Given the rapid growth of the crypto markets, it's no surprise that a few smart coders have combined yield farming and NFTs to develop NFT farming. as a revolutionary way to make money in the DeFi marketplaces. Yield farming, also known as liquidity mining, is the practice of generating a return on digital assets by securing them as a stake in a DeFi trading or lending pool that acts as a liquidity provider. NFT farming is different from conventional yield farming, which involves depositing digital assets into a liquidity pool in exchange for token returns. Well, one considers it as earning a yield on top of another yield-producing procedure. This potential opens the door to a multi-tiered revenue model that is suitable for yield farmers. However, keep in mind that NFTs and the underlying smart contract technology are still in the early development stages. As a result, many of the apps that provide the potential discussed in this article are still in the early stages of development. It is essential to do research and understand the risks associated before investing in any of the NFTs. Non-fungible tokens are much more than a transitory cryptocurrency craze. NFT technology offers a wide range of applications, and its true capacity is only now being realized. To all the tech-savvy investors, this is an opportunity to have a passive, profitable funding option in the near future. That's it for today, guys. I will catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye.